Easy installation. Impact resistant. Long range. Taramp is one of the leading brands in car audio in the world. The Connect Control Remote combines Taramp's long-distance technology with a simple plug-and-play USB installation. With it, you will have complete wireless control of your player. Controls long-distance audio and video equipment. Commands up to 16 functions. Easy sync with up to 3 controls in the same system. Receiver connected directly to player's USB port, no electrical installation needed. 300 meters open area range. Contains multiple preset device models and memory. Learning function enables the programming of other controls. Modern design. Rubber protective case. Impact resistant. Anti-copy technology. Smart economy mode. Central transmission frequency, 433.5 MHz. Maximum power, plus 10 bm. Modulation, FSK. Maximum power consumption, 50 mA. Maximum control consumption, 7 mA. Power supply, 5 VDC, USB-A. Control power, CR2032 battery 1.8 to 3.6 V. Approximate USB receiver dimensions, WXHXD, 35.5 x 44 by 14.5 mm. Approximate control dimensions, WXHXD, 36.5 x 76, 5 by 11.5 mm. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Brought this for a friend. He loved it and was able to hook it up to his radio. He had a 07 Impala LT.